Hey, what's up, Cardano holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again, I'm present with another latest update, Cardano price prediction 2021. You are watching now, and in this video, my friends, we are talking about the tomorrow price of Cardano. What will be the tomorrow price of Cardano? Is the price move upward? Is the price move fast down? In this video I will show you, so keep watch this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, so please click the subscribe button, also like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. First of all, you can see here the Cardano price stood at $1.5730 a coin. Today range is $1.5590 between and $1.6360. My friends, that is a today range for a Cardano price. The price will be today price will be between these two, 1.5590 and $1.6360 USD dollar. The price of today will be in between these two. And yesterday close is 1.6270 USD dollar. The change is negative 0.0540 and negative 3.32%. That is the current price of the change so in the Cardano. My friends, at this time, now the live price of the Cardano in the market is 1.5730 USD dollar, and negative 3.32% the pricing is going on at this time in a Cardano, my friends. So now this time the price is going down, but don't worry, my friends, the price will become positive. And let's see, my friends, you can see here in this table you can see the latest update of Cardano, the previous changes, the previous details about Cardano. But let's see, my friends, the latest price update of the Cardano. And tomorrow, especially we discuss the tomorrow price of Cardano. You can see here, my friends, the price chart of the Cardano is on the screen. My friends, tomorrow price, you can see here, that is the tomorrow 11 date price, Friday. 1.553 USD dollar is the minimum, and maximum price is 1.787 USD dollar. That is the tomorrow price of Cardano in this time in the market, my friends. Minimum and maximum price you are seeing on the screen, my friends. My friends, this prediction is 100% going positive, going good. So hope you like this price prediction, and if you like, please subscribe ABS Tech channel and stay connected with the ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos, my friends.